Okay, so it's 20 minutes, half hour later. That Halfords polish is good. I mean, it does a nice job, but it's really hard getting off and finding I'm being left with swirl marks. So as much as just leaving a nice finish, it's doing nothing on those marks. I think the colour magic or some paint repairs can be done. Like I say, it's a really nice shine on that Halfords polish, but it is hard work. So I've done the roof, the bonnet, beyond the angle, you can see the swirls. I don't know if you can see it. So, through a mixture of experience and laziness, I'm going to hit it with this. And if you guys have tried using this waterless wax, it says it's a cleaner, but I always clean the car first. But it smells lush and it does a wicked job. So I'm going to hit the rest through with this and then I'll show you the results. I'll probably go over the bonnet as well because of the swirl marks. So that's the plan. Also put a bit of shiny on the tyres because, you know, a little bit of bullshit goes a long way, doesn't it? Okay guys, there we go. I ended up going over the whole thing with SugrCoat. You can see all the swirl marks have disappeared. I say it is very expensive, really. I think that bottle, even using Calvin, officially gassed, even using his code, it's about £17. But I've cleaned the cars a fair few times. That'll give me that nice water repellent finish now. So again, as much as not perfect, it's only taking about 15 minutes to whip over the whole thing. I'm saying the level of shine you get is really nice. So I highly recommend that. The Halfords stuff was really good, the polish. It was taking a lot of work to wipe it off. I mean, it's not the hottest day of the year. It's about 18-19 degrees today, but that was enough to make the wax real hard work. So I'm going to whip over the glass and that'll do us. So this is the HubNut social we're going to, so it's not like you need to have a perfect car. It's a really relaxed thing. You know, understand that most cars are ongoing projects. So yeah, I just wanted to look as good as it can look, because I think it's a lush car. Like I say, it's my wife's car, but I absolutely love it. So you may as well have it looking as clean as you can. Still a few days till the social. I don't think I'm taking that. So like I say, that's the sensible car to go in. I think we're a lot more likely to see a 159 up there than we had to see a ZR. Like the original plan was I wanted to get this out, sort that knocking on the suspension, chuck a few front tyres on it and take it up, because I doubt very much we'll see another 166 up there. If we did, chances are it won't be a 3 litre, and if it was a 3 litre up there, it's almost certain it hasn't got that gearbox, because apparently I looked on how many left, and apparently this car, the Lusso trim with the 3 litre V6 and the Sportronic gearbox, there's only 3 left in the UK in that trim, and I don't even know if they're taxed. So yeah, so that's getting extremely rare. So I thought turning up in that would be rare. Not many people would have seen it. We see these all over the place, but they're getting rarer. But I think even with all my time going around the country driving my lorry, very rarely I see a ZR going down the road. And when they were new, most of these were in this blue, but you don't seem to see too many of them now. Not many of them escape the modifying stage, where there's big massive exhaust filter systems being thrown on, and air filters, and switching the engine out. So yeah, it is original, so we keep it that way. Like I say, there's little bits and bobs I need to do. The problem is with stuff like that, I saw that little bit of bubbling, which is solid, they'll treat it from behind. If I treat the outside of that, it's a big old panel needs spraying, which again leads me towards that plaster dip kit. But it's all stuff that needs to be done. So I'm going to clean up the windows, go in and have a brew, and then do the school run. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you watched any of the video, if you want to like and subscribe, that'd be absolutely awesome. See if we can get this channel to a few more people. See if we can get it to share it about, get a few more likes, see if we can get on the algorithm. But yeah, appreciate you all watching. And like I say, there's plenty more work to be done. Every time I look in the car I can see more stuff. I'm going to switch out the front brakes on this, probably going to get all new disc pads all the way around on that. I've already got discs and pads for this, which need to be done. We need to find that knocking noise. I need to get that engine polished up nicely, take it for a few runs, get the bumper on nicely. There's the leather cleaners need to be done. I need to do the headline in here, which I've done before, but it's starting to sag again, you know. MG stuff. But no, just enjoying the cars. So if any of you guys want to see any more of it, please like, subscribe, share the video, and I'll catch you on the next one, and we'll take for a few good drives soon while the weather's still with us. There's a few good roads over here marked for a good rip, so just see this one, that one, or that one. Ideally that one. I'd love it to be that one. That's the beast. So yeah, thanks guys, I'll see you on the next one.